In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on MailerLite branding. This process is a great way to make sure your emails reflect both your personal style and professional identity, giving recipients a consistent experience that represents your brand accurately. So, let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to head to your MailerLite dashboard. This is your control center where you manage everything related to your email campaigns. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've arrived at the dashboard, the next step is to find your account settings. The account settings is where you control various aspects of your profile and preferences, so go ahead and click on Account Settings to proceed. After clicking on the account settings, you'll see a menu. Your next destination is the Brand Styles section. This is the area where you can customize the visual aspects of your email campaigns. Once you're on the Brand Styles page, you will see an option to upload your logo or brand image. Click on Upload Image to begin selecting the graphic you want to represent your brand. Once you've clicked on Upload Image, a window will pop up prompting you to upload your file. Make sure that your image is in an appropriate format, typically JPEG or PNG, for easiest compatibility. Click on Upload and select your image file from your computer. Once the upload is complete, another option will appear allowing you to confirm your selection. Click on Select to set this as your branding image. Now that your image is uploaded, it's time to give your branding further customization. You'll want to choose a primary color that will accompany your logo throughout any materials created in MailerLite. Choose a color that complements your brand well. Next, direct your attention to the font settings. You can click on Font Family to choose a typeface that matches the voice of your brand. Options may vary, but select one that is easy to read and suits the tone you want to convey. Once you're satisfied with the way everything looks, the final step is to save your changes. This is critical because you want all your hard work to be implemented in your future campaigns. Find and click the Save Changes button to finalize your branding settings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully turned on MailerLite branding, which will ensure your emails are consistent with your brand's identity. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to MailerLite support or explore their help resources. Thanks for watching and good luck personalizing your MailerLite experience.